bring up a really interesting point about VWAP, and I want to sort of go through this. So certain stocks, we really expect when they pull into VWAP to just hold above or at VWAP and spend no time leaking below there. And if they do, to us that can be a change of character for the particular name. Other times, leaking below VWAP is not necessarily that big of a deal, and we've got to actually game plan for what if it does actually leak below VWAP, and so that we can still stay in the trade or get back into the trade. So if a stock is really expensive, it's going to be more likely to leak below VWAP. If a stock gaps up a lot on the open, it's going to be more likely to leak below VWAP. If a stock has a really strong opening drive, it's more likely to leak below VWAP and then recapture VWAP. And it's more likely to leak below VWAP, but still possibly still be strong. Okay? If it's young in the day, if it's really early in the day, it's more likely to leak below VWAP, because VWAP is a function of time, and the younger it is in the day, the less the other execution traders are necessarily looking at that. Or there's more confusion as to buying and selling. So I've said this a lot, VWAP is a great intraday technical indicator, and it's a great reference point for us to determine if something is going to be directionally and will trend for the day to the upside. But we also have to understand that there's going to be times where it may leak through VWAP and still be directional for the day and reclaim direction. And you want to be thinking about the things that I mentioned, so that if it just trades a spread or a spread and a half below VWAP, that you don't give up on it and miss the reclaim of VWAP and the directional into the closed move. If you want to learn 3 real-world setups that our traders use, including the simple setup that we teach all of our new traders, and the setup that turned one of our traders into a 7-figure big money earner, check out the free webinar that we're currently running. Just go ahead and click the link that should be appearing right now at the top right-hand corner of your screen. That's going to open up the free registration page in a new window. Don't worry, you're not going to lose this video. You can also visit tradingworkshop.com to register for this free, intensive, awesome workshop. You're going to learn more in a couple of hours from this trading workshop than from years of online education.